creeps territory now, so be careful. Don't underestimate the creeps. They're shitheads, but they're lethal. Wizard's close by. He's the creep's latest meal ticket, so they won't let him go without a fight. These boys will kill you as quick as look at you, so be careful. Go get him, puppy.
I've seen your brain. Sad little piece of wetware. Easy as hell to hack. I tell you to upgrade your security, but no point now. You're never walking out of here. You're in over your head and you don't even know it. You're just a dog on a leash chasing its own tail. Waste this clown.